Guys, spilling the tea. Did you know you can make this micro twist on your leg using a very quick method, guys? So I'm going to show you how in this tutorial, and also how I installed them on my wig cap. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So let's get into the tutorial.
Back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look.
I'm going to show you these two small sizes as an example, using color 39 and color 35. And as you can see, color 35 is way smaller. So make sure you are wearing leggings or tight or whatever you have. Don't do this directly on your skin because you get inflammation. So hold your braiding hair in half and make sure all the sizes are equal. Place your hand on top like that, and you're going to roll the hair towards you, and you're going to flip like this and twist. So you do the flipping method at the beginning of your twist so that it will go to the direction that you want it to go, and the rest of the twist you just twist and let go of the hair, and it will just follow direction. So make sure at the beginning of your twist you are twisting it towards the direction you want your twist to go. So the rest of the twist, make sure you separate the hair before you place your hand on top and roll like that, and then you let go of your twist, and it will just naturally twist like that, guys. This method is really quick. I'm telling you guys, this method if you're a wig maker, do this, guys. Do this method. It's really quick. You just twist them on your leg like this. In less than 5 seconds you are done, and then the crocheting process is really quick again. So do this, and it will make your life easier than twisting with your hand all the way from the top to the down. Like, it's too much, guys. It's too much. These micro twists are a lot of work, and doing this leg method, it's so much easier. So I'm just going to continue. I will show you again and again how I do it, guys. I will show you again and again. So make sure you do this until the ends, and make sure you separate your hair like that before you place your hand and roll. Yeah, like that, guys. As simple as that, you are done. You are done with your micro twist, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Did you know about this method, guys? I'm so excited to be sharing this method with you. This is how it looks from another angle. So just flip your hair towards where you want your twist to go, the direction you want your twist to go, and then you're going to place your hand on top, and then you're going to roll, and you're just putting a little force, guys, little force, so that your hair will roll and it will be tight, guys. The twist is really tight. So the faster you roll your hair, the more tighter your twist will be. And don't mind about force, guys. Just put a little force. Don't put too much. You don't want too much pressure. Just a little bit of force, and then you roll your hair towards you, and then you get your twist, guys. And make sure you hold where the twisted hair is ending when you're rolling your hair, so that it won't unravel. So just hold right there, and then roll your hair, and then hold again, separate the hair, and then place your hand on top and roll the hair and let go of the twist. That is how, guys. That is how. Let me show you again and again. Roll your hair and then twist it towards the direction you want it to go, and then place your hand on top and continue rolling your hair. Let go of the twist. Hold where the twisted hair is ending. Separate your hair into two. Place your hand, roll, and let go. Hold where the twist is ending. Separate your hair, roll. Hold where the twist is ending, roll, hold. Continue doing the same thing, guys. Continue doing the same thing, guys. You don't know how excited I am to be sharing this method with you guys. Like, it makes everything easier. Guys, I hope this method will also help you guys. And make sure you share, guys. Make sure you share. I've shared this with you, so make sure you share with as many people as you can. And also, don't skip the ads, guys. Don't skip the ads. Make sure you watch all the adverts to help me, because I'm also helping you by sharing and not keeping this information to myself. Yeah, I decided to share it with you. I did not keep it with myself. So share with as many people as you can. So this is the smaller size, guys, As you can see, it's really small. You can go smaller than this if you want, but this is the smallest that I wanted. So look at that, guys. Doing this with your hand, guys, it will get swollen. And look at this easy method. Do it on your leg, and it's very easy. In less than 5 seconds you are done. And guys, the twist is really tight, and it looks really good, guys. I'm just going to continue showing you this, guys. So make sure you roll your hair and then let go of your twist and hold where the twist is ending, and roll, hold where the twist is ending, and roll. Continue doing that. I'm talking too much, but I just want you to understand and practice this method. Yeah, so you can also do this method on like a medium-sized twist, and you also achieve a tight twist that you can crochet. And guys, look at that, guys, look at that. So for the installation, just pass your crochet through, and then pass it through the loop of your twist, and then pull it through, and then go to the ends of your twist and then put it on your hook, and then pass it through the loop, and then pull the rest of your twist, and then just tie, guys. So if you want a detailed installation tutorial, let me know in the comment section down below. I will do that tutorial for you. This just wanted to show you how to install them, not the detailed wig making tutorial. I do have another twist wig making tutorial. I'm going to create a playlist, and then I'm going to link it in the description so that you can go and check it out. But for the meantime, yeah, you can check it out for the meantime. And if you want like a updated detailed tutorial on how to make a twist wig, let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know what you think about this method of making micro twists, guys. Let me know, and kindly share this video, guys. Share, comment, like this video if it was helpful to you. And guys, I will see you in my next tutorial. I've shared this with you so that you can both learn and make our lives easier. Yeah. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was really helpful to you. I hope it was helpful, and you can show appreciation by liking the video and sharing the video and subscribing if you are new, guys. It's totally free to subscribe, so subscribe if you are new, and if you're already subscribed. But thank you so much for coming back. You are the best, and I'll keep on finding new ideas and easy ways to make your wigs, guys. So I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Goodbye. Look at that, guys. Look how tight that twist is. Anyway, goodbye, guys. I love you.